Introducing MATelec Australia's spiral cable wrapping, the ultimate reusable solution for keeping cables neat, safe and organised. Extensively used in MATelec Australia's own manufacturing facility here in regional Victoria, where thousands of control panels are produced every month. It's tried, tested and proven to perform. But let's deep dive into how this simple tool is a cut above the rest. Made from high quality polyethylene, our spiral wrap combines durability and flexibility, making installation simple even in tight spaces. Its excellent memory ensures it returns to shape after stretching, maintaining reliable cable protection. Simply cut to length, wrap around your cable bundle and adjust as needed. MATelec Australia's spiral wrap is fully reusable, giving easy access for maintenance or changes. Cables can exit anywhere along the spiral, giving complete control over routing while keeping everything neat and organised. MATelec Australia's spiral wrap provides insulation and mechanical protection, reducing wear and damage. Its non-abrasive design preserves cable integrity, making it ideal for delicate data and internet cables. Available in black for a sleek, discreet look, or clear for easy cable visibility, our spiral wrap suits all different situations. Whether you have exposed cables you're trying to keep inconspicuous, or perhaps situations where easy cable identification matters. With a full range of sizes and lengths, it accommodates all cable diameters and bundles. It's reusable, easy to apply and remove, and provides long-term cable management without extra tools or materials. At MATelec Australia, we use this product ourselves, proven in our regional Victorian manufacturing facility and trusted on work sites nationwide. This spiral wrap delivers consistent, reliable performance, backed by the quality assurance that defines MATelec Australia. Thousands of control panels are produced in this facility, with a huge proportion containing pieces of this spiral wrapping to handle and protect cables. A trusted addition to the MATelec Australia cable management family, spiral wrap brings cables and installation together, working seamlessly with our tyres, clips, tapes and other accessories. Our spiral wrap delivers a complete professional solution, available through your electrical wholesalers nationally.